Hey guys, welcome to the AI world where it's super hard to tell what's real and what's made by AI. Now, you can't trust your eyes because AI can make anything.
I was created using an AI video generator called Veo3.
Right now, V3 is going viral all over the internet. All the videos you've seen so far made with V3. The video quality is super clean. The movements look real. No weird glitches at all. Some clips even look like scenes from a Hollywood movie. And the sound? It's next level. In this video, I'll show you how to use Veo3 for free and create awesome videos just by typing text. Let's get started. Veo3 is a brand new text-to-video generator developed by tech giant Google DeepMind. You can access Veo3 in two ways on Gemini 2.5 Pro and Google DeepMind Flow, an AI filmmaking tool by Google. However, you need a Google AI subscriber to make videos with V3. There are two plans available here, Google AI Pro and Google AI Ultra. You have to pay $20 for the Google AI Pro plan and $125 for the Ultra plan. If you are a new user, you can get 1 month free AI Pro plan. However, the good news is, if you have a student account, then you can enjoy a free Pro plan for 1 year. So grab your student account and enjoy 1 year of free access to V3. All right, now let's have a look at how you can generate videos using V3. I am using Gemini Pro to generate the videos using V3. Okay, this is the prompt box. Under the prompt box, you will find 4 options. First, with the plus icon, you can upload any image or file to chat with it. Next, we have a video icon. As I am a pro user, you can see now it's ready to generate video with Veo3. To generate videos, we have to use the video option. You will find 2 more options called Deep Research and Canvas. We will talk about them in another video. I am selecting the video option. Now we have to enter the prompt here in this box. I am entering a ready prompt. To generate high-quality videos, you need detailed prompts like this. And here is the prompt formula. First, mention the subject, the object, person, animal, or scenery that you want in your video. Next, mention the background or context in which the subject is placed. After that, the action means what the subject is doing. For example, walking, running, or turning their head. Then you have to mention the style of the video. There are some more optional settings to get higher quality, such as camera motion, composition, and ambiance. If you find the prompt guide so complex, just write the prompt as a story. For example, this video is generated from this prompt. Here you can see the camera shot at the start of the prompt, the settings, and the lighting. Next, we have echographer as the subject and cluttered study as the context. After that, you can see the action, and in the end, we have the audio or dialogue. And yes, I will put some prompts in the description box, also along with the prompts I use to generate videos in this video. All right, once the prompt is ready, hit the send button to generate the video. Now, it will take some time to generate the video. You can see that it will take 3 to 5 minutes to generate the video. Actually, it will take less than that. However, I am fast forwarding the video, and here it is. The video is ready, and look at the quality. They're not slowing down. This is unreal. It looks like a video shot by a professional cinema-grade camera. The movement is very subtle and natural. The light, camera work, and the action are really hyper-realistic. I bet you can't tell that it's AI generated. This is really amazing. Okay, now I am going to create another video with a human body. After entering the prompt, I am clicking on the send button. After waiting some time, I got this result, and here it is. The result is ready, and you can see the quality of the video. This is so amazing. The camera work is outstanding. The human emotion and intensity of the scene are top-notch. Now, let me tell you another very interesting feature. You can actually create continuous and consistent character videos. Imagine I want to create an extended version of the video, and I am entering a new prompt, and then I hit the send button, and here it is. The video is ready. You can see the result. We will destroy the whole earth and start a new beginning. This is amazing. Although a new character has appeared, the scene and the character remain very consistent, and the audio section is also very outstanding. I am generating a new prompt and generating another video for this scene. Let's see how it's doing, and here it is. The video is ready. You can do it before my death. I will protect the world, and the quality is outstanding. Now I am playing all the scenes together. We will destroy the whole earth and start a new beginning. You can do it before my death. I will protect the world. So now you can create an intense cinematic consistent scene using Veo 3. In my opinion, this is the best AI video generator at this moment. And if you use the flow in Veo 3, you can create a full-blown movie only with text prompts. I am planning to create a movie using Veo 3 and Google DeepMind Flow. If you are interested in knowing about this, I can make a full tutorial on it. Let me know in the comments section. In conclusion, Veo 3 is now the best text-to-video generator, and you can access it absolutely for free for 1 month. And if you have a student account, you can get access for a year of subscription. All right, friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear about your experience creating videos with Veo 3. Share your thoughts and results in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one.